In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the icon size on Android. Changing the icon size on a mobile phone helps improve usability and personal comfort. For users with visual impairments or those who prefer clearer visibility, increasing icon size makes apps easier to identify and access. On the other hand, reducing icon size allows more apps to fit on the screen, which can enhance multitasking and provide a cleaner, more organized look. Launch your Settings app. In the Settings menu, look for Home Screen. Tap on Home Screen. In the Home Screen menu, tap on Home Screen Layout. In this menu, you get two options to change your icon size. One is the standard icon size, which is slightly bigger, and the other is dense, which is smaller in size. In my case, I will select the dense option. Here you can see that the icons are smaller than before. Even the app drawer icon size is changed. Following these steps, you can change the icon size of your mobile phone easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.